Hey everybody, welcome back to Gramophone's coverage of Axpona 2023. We're here in the Rega room with our great friend John, and he's going to tell us about some sweet stuff they've got set up here, because we're going to be doing a lot more of Rega soon. John, this is a nice little stack. What do we got?
We have 3 or 4 pieces of Rega gear. Rega is celebrating their 50th year in business now. They started in 1973. On the top, we have our midline planar 6 with an exact moving magnet cartridge. This represents a table that, in a sense, if you look in a brand, where's the spot where you get the greatest performance for the least amount of money? I would say that this is probably the model that sits right at that golden moment. Beautifully transparent, a great arm that they make themselves, very high output moving magnet, so you get a lot of detail, a double float glass platter, and a motor with the Rega TTP-SU. This is an outboard power supply that gives you one push to 33 or 45, as well as an oscillating crystal inside that gives absolute speed stability onto the platter. And that comes with the planar 6. It's part of the cost. And that's about a $2,245 turntable setup as you see it. Below, all the way down on the bottom, is one of our 2 very newest integrated amplifiers. That's called the Illicit Mark V. This is a digital as well as analog, which you go, well, a lot of people do that, John, but Rega has not forever. They've been very reticent to combine a digital section inside an analog integrated. They have done that. We use Wolfson DACs. This is 109 watts per channel into 8 ohms, 5 inputs, 2 digital inputs. Comes with a very nice remote control, and as is typical with most Rega products, and it's incumbent on where they position themselves. We don't spend a ton of money on cabinetry. We don't spend a lot of money on extra bells and whistles or eye candy or meters or things like that. When somebody looks at a Rega, they are buying a product for the sound quality, the durability, and value.
So all the money's in the guts.
All the money's in the guts, yeah. Go straight into the engineering and the parts. And this is $2,800 MSRP. So again, 2 very reasonable pieces put together. Pair that with a $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 speaker, and for under 15 grand, you've got a fantastically high resolution hi-fi system.
Well, this is an awesome stack, man. Thank you so much for sharing it with us. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to the Gramophone channel, because we've got way more coverage of Axpona coming, and oh boy, there's some great stuff here. Catch you soon.